After Eclipse installation, we will start the Eclipse NX configuration. So we need to configure the Eclipse it now. So what happened? You need to double click to the Eclipse application. You already has installed. So you need to define your workspace define. So we have to define a folder under the Eclipse. After starting, go to Window Preferences, and there is an option called as a PyDev. Edit, go to the code analysis and just click to the ignore unused imports and the unused variable, and after that you can click to the apply and then go to the Python interpreter, add the Python interpreter, click to the new and add the existing path of Python. So we have to define in the one text format. Just I need to copy this path, add on here and select the python.exe, and you have to define the interpreter name of that. So after done this, they have to show in the library of that. Just you can click to the add. We add a PyDev debugger tool. How it can be configured? There is a one specific folder under Eclipse plugin PyDev core folder. So we will find out it now. So this is a folder PyDev core and add the here. Okay. So we have added in the library. Okay. We need to add a NX libraries into the Eclipse PyDev configuration. So I can click to the new folder to NX root or installation directory. After that, there is an NX bin folder and there is a one folder called as a Python. So just we need to add on here. Have added here called as a Python library, PyDev configuration, debugger tool, and the NX Python libraries. So after clicking to the apply, they have load all libraries into the current environment. Added a namespaces on the force built-in. So we have to define some namespaces. So we have to define as a comma separated. So like NX Open, NX Open dot assembly, NX Open dot annotation, NX Open dot block style. There is a lot of variable is here. So we need to define as a comma separated. After that, I need to copy this and the paste in the here force built-in. Okay. Now we can see here they have to add it on the force built-in. And again, I can click to the apply and close. I'm closing this text file. This is for only reference for my. Just I'm starting the Eclipse. Now here the application is started. So I can go to the Windows perspective views, other perspective and click to the other. And there is a one option called as a PyDev. And after that I click to the open. Now you can see in the right hand side top there is a one tab is added called as a PyDev, right? So again I can go to the show tree, then console. So now you can see here the console. After that I need to create a PyDev one project structure. So we have to define a project called as a some dev, or we have to define called as a name of that. So you can define a interpreter for that, which interpreter you want to require, or same of that we have to already configure it now. So this is a Python interpreter, we have to already configure it. Okay, after done this thing I can click to the finish option. So now you can see here this is a library and this is the one folder is added. Then you can be create your own structure according to your the project, according to your the requirement. Starting a namespaces, so we have to define import NX and then automatically suggests us which types of require of NX Open dot annotation or what. Now we will start the Eclipse dark theme configuration. Okay, so I can go to the Google and type called as a Eclipse dark theme for the dev. So first I can click to the first link and just I can drag the theme into the Eclipse. So now here just you can click add to all. This is the icon designer, there is a theme and editing also there. So just you can click select all and add it now. So now we can click to the accept for this, click to finish. It is starting the installation of black theme. So now you can select all here, select all, yes I accept and trust, select it. So it's taking some time depend upon your internet speed. So they have to install it now. After done this thing, just you can click to the restart. That's it. You can click to the OK. This is a theme selection it now. Click to next and select a dark theme. Then you can click to the finish or next. Now you can see here this is totally black theme is configured now. It's take us some times to done all defined settings and click to the continue. We define a print as a hello to get a output. So we have to debug as a Python. Now you can see the output called as a hello.